In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the clutch cable on a 2003 Honda 400EX. I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously get the old one off. Take a 12mm open end wrench and start loosening this back nut right here. As you start loosening that back nut, you'll notice the front one will just kind of start sliding forward. You're just taking all the tension off of this cable basically. So now that you have all this slack, you should be able to push this forward and then pull that cable out. Now you're just going to want to spin this front nut all the way off until it goes off the end here. Alrighty, so once you get that nut all the way off the end, you can then slide this whole thing back through here and then you're free. Now just feed your cable up through and out the top, and then we'll detach it at the top. Alrighty guys, last step to getting this old one out. Basically you just line up these grooves here where the cable can come out with the ones on this thing, like so. And then you line all those grooves up with this one, like so. Then pull this cable out and slide it out and down out of the lever, and there you go, you got your old one out. So once you got your old one out, you can take your new one. I literally just buy these off Amazon. They're cheap. It was like 10 bucks, and I mean there's certain ones that are better quality, but they're so cheap that I just get one off Amazon. So take your new one and you're basically going to do the same thing except in reverse. It's super simple, but just in case anyone wants to see it, I'll still show you. Don't forget to put this on, because you can't tell you how many times I've done a clutch cable and forgot to put this on, and then you have to take it all apart again to put this back on. So make sure you feed this end through this thing before you put anything back on. Okay, we've got that fed through the top hole. Now we're just going to put this thing back on. Obviously first you're just going to put it into the lever here, go through the little channel back into there, and now you're gonna throw that thing all the way up there and just start screwing this in just to get some slack off. And then this is gonna go up here eventually, but we're gonna move down to the other side now. Now you're just gonna feed this cable back down through in between the two headers, back down over this way, and then we're back to this thing. So most likely your new one will come just like this. So what you're going to want to do is just pull this little rubber cap off the end and then spin this one nut, the front one, all the way off the end. So when you have it off all the way, then you're just going to want to pull this cable out all the way so you have as much slack as possible. Go back around this thing, get the cable up in there, and then feed the thread piece all the way through like so, and then obviously thread this guy back on. And now you should have enough slack if you pull this cable this way and push this thing in to get this piece back in there, and just like that. Then you can slide this rubber piece back down over top of here. That's to keep dust and stuff out of your cable so it can slide freely. And then this is how you're going to be adjusting how your clutch feels up there. So the easiest way I've found to adjust these cables is to back this front nut off, and then basically you want to pull as far as you can. So I'm going to keep backing it off. You want to pull this thing back as far as you can so that this is like almost to the point of engaging, and then tighten this one up, and then it's usually like sitting pretty good. So then as you can see up here, there's not a whole lot of play. Like as soon as I start pulling on this lever, I can feel tension, and it has a nice firm feel to it. You can hear that little click, and that's exactly what you want. All I do then is maybe just to unscrew this a little bit, back this out just so that this piece stays in there nice, and then tighten this one back down onto here, and then that's pretty much it. You're good to go. So yeah, now we got a nice new clutch cable. It feels nice and smooth and firm. There's not a whole lot of play, and yeah, it's good to go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful to you, consider hitting the subscribe button and I would very much appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.